Hello everyone, it's Catherine from my hillside garden. See that nice hole there? And then if we take another look over here, and we'll take a look over here for this hole, and we'll take a look over here for this hole. And we're gonna come around, and they did something over here, but I think it may have gotten covered over. This is one of my other low tunnels. I haven't done an update on this one. I just got all the soil nice and smoothed out, flattened, and I was fortunate enough to get some seeds in, and I had put some of my trays that I made up for winter sowing of my flower seeds, and I just had them sitting on the soil, and you can almost see where they were. There was one right here. There was one right here, and there was one back here. I had them covered over with some fleece, and the little buggers, they had them pulled down into the holes. Plus, I actually had, and I don't know if I might have gotten a shot of it in one of my other videos, there was some overwintered kale right there. It's gone, totally gone. And they bit off the top of that. I guess there may be a war coming. So, if anyone has any ideas, what I decided I'm going to do today is actually I'm going to get some diatomaceous, I'm probably not saying it right, diatomaceous earth, and I'm going to sprinkle that around after I straighten everything up again. But I have to say, at least I'm glad they didn't get any of the dill, the beets, the lettuce, the Swiss chard, the lettuce, the radish, and I have more beets. So at least those spaces have managed to stay nice. So the saga with the voles continues. Thanks for watching today. I hope you liked today's video as much as I liked making it. And I hope you'll join me again in my garden. Have a great day. Happy gardening.